consideration is the importance to be drawn. So, dapat titingnan niyo yung quality ng inyong drawing paper at titingnan niyo din kung ano yung pencil na dapat doon sa inyong paper. Okay? So, usually, ang gagamitin natin for your paper, yung sa inyong vellum paper or sa inyong white paper, ay 2H or 3H. Yan. Gagamitin natin siya for the guidelines. Or H. Okay? Yan yung maire-recommend ko. The medium. The medium one. The inferior line, like border lines, guidelines, construction lines, and any other auxiliary lines needed to be erased later are drawn using the harder pencil. So, gagamit tayo ng harder pencil, yung may mga H kapag inferior line. Yung madali nating yung pwede nating i-erase kaagad, lalo na yung mga guidelines. Okay? Gagamit tayo ng guidelines. Border lines, construction lines, and other auxiliary lines, we will use the harder pencil. But for the superior line, are drawn using comparatively softer grade, like object line, text, symbols, etc. But since we will use the technical pen, we don't need the B, okay? Hindi naman tayo mag-sketch. Hindi tayo for sketching. So, ang recommended ko lang na gagamitin ninyo for the pencil is 3H, 2H, and H. Okay? Paki-comment ano nga yung gagamitin lang na pencil grade. Okay? Pakisulat sa comment section. Okay, common uses of different grade pencil are tabulated below. So, as you can see here, the pencil usage guideline for different line types. So, we have different line types, sorry. So, yung task and the lead, ito yung kailangan ninyong i-take down notes. Okay, for the border lines, we have the, kailangan natin dyan yung 3H, 2H, construction lines, 3H, 2H then, guidelines, 3H, 2H, lettering, H, F, and HB. Okay? But, hindi na kayo kailangan bumili nito for the lettering kasi ang gagamitin natin yan ay technical pen. Okay? Technical pen. For dimension line, 2H and H. Task, center lines, 2H and H. Phantom lines, 2H and H. Long break lines, 2H and H. Visible lines, H, F, HB. Cutting plane lines, H, F, HB. And leaders, 2H, H. Hidden lines, ganun din. Cross hatching lines, ganun din. Extension lines, ganun din. Short break lines, H, F, and HB. So as you can see, katulad ng recommendation ko sa inyo, yun din ang ginagamit na grade for the lead for the specific lines. Okay? So 6H is used for the light construction line. 4H is used for pre-penciling light finish lines, dimensions, center lines, and invisible object lines. 2H is used for visible object lines. F and H are used for all lettering and freehand work. Okay? Okay, meron tayong nakuhang clue. At ang nakuha nating clue is letter N. The sixth clue is letter N. Another drawing equipment is the protractor. It is used for laying out and measurable angle. Okay, so gumagamit din tayo nito, especially for drawing the isometric drawing. Okay, drawing the isometric drawing. Okay, scale, ruler. So we have, ito yung mga scale, okay? Ito yung ginagamit para sa mga scaling. So a number of kinds of scales are available for varied types of engineering design. Scales with beveled edges graduated in millimeter are usually used. So you can see here we have the 30 cm scale, then we have also the 15 cm scale. So, ito, may mga for diagonal scale, ito naman yung ginagamit. Okay? Then also, important din to, yung compass natin. It is used to draw circles and arcs both in pencil and ink. It considered the two legs pivoted at the top. One leg is equipped with a steel needle attached with screw, and other shorter leg is provided with a socket for a detachable inserts. And ito, compass and divider na siya. Compass and divider. So, yung ibang compass, meron dito nilalagay na pencil. Yung iba naman, talagang meron siyang nakalagay dito na pencil sa baba. Okay? For dividers, used chiefly for transferring distances and occasionally for dividing spaces into equal parts, for dividing curve and straight lines into any number of equal parts, and for transferring measurements. Okay? So, isa din to sa mga kakailanganin natin, especially for your drawings. Sa lahat ng mga drawings, kakailanganin nyo to, and also for engineering lettering. French curve. Okay? It is used to draw irregular curves that are not circle arcs. The shape varies according to the shape of irregular curve. So, as you can see, there are different French curves na nandito. Okay? Drawing board. It is a board or platform rectangular in shape. Size of drawing board need to be larger than that of drawing paper. It is made of wood. Top surface should be smooth. Okay. Para mas maging maganda ang inyong dinodrawing, kailangan merong magandang drawing board. Okay? But since I know na medyo mahirap magkaroon nito ngayon, lalo na sa panahon ngayon na pandemic, kaya I suggest kumuha kayo ng table na plain. Okay? Siyempre, larger than the drawing paper. And pwede din na hindi siya made of wood, okay? Basta smooth at maganda ang surface niya. Okay? Another, template. Okay? It is a thin, flat piece of plastic containing various cut-out shapes. It is designed to speed the work of the drafter and to make the finished drawing more accurate. Templates are available for drawing circles, ellipses, plumbing pictures. Templates come in many sizes to fit and scale being used on the drawing, and it should be used wherever possible to increase accuracy and speed. Okay, meron po tayong mga ginagamit na templates. Ang mostly na gagamitin natin ay ang circle and the ellipse. Okay? Mas magagamit nyo siya kung magdo-drawing na kayo. Mag-start na kayo sa inyong drawing. But yung drawing ninyo, yung inyong output number 1 ay i-discuss ko sa next module. Okay, ngayon introduction pa lang tayo. This is just an overview. This is just a presentation, okay? Definitions of the engineering drawing. So, ngayon pa lang, maghanda na kayo ng inyong mga materials. At i-discuss ko din sa inyo yung mga basic materials na pwede nyong gamitin for at your home. Okay? So, our 7th clue is letter M. Okay? Ito pa yung mga ibang mga equipment. Okay? At ito ay hindi naman kailangan lahat ma-accomplish ninyo or lahat ma-provide ninyo. So, magbibigay lang ako ng mga equipment na kakailangan ninyo, especially for our engineering drawing outputs. Okay, yung Grub, or adjustable set squares. Its two sides are fixed at 90 degree and the third side can be adjustable at any angle. So wala lang akong may pakita ang picture. You can imagine it. Okay? Rubber or eraser. Extra lines or curves which are not required in the drawing are to be rubbed and out or erased. Hence, rubber or eraser are required in the drawing work. Erasers are available in many degrees or of hardness, size, and shape. We have also eraser shield. It is an important device to protect lines near being erased. It is made up of thin metal plate in which caps of different widths and lengths are cut. We have also tracing paper. It is a thin, transparent paper. Figures below can be easily traced out in pencil tip. Okay? So, drawing ink. It is used for making drawings in ink or tracing paper. And, isa sa pinaka-importanteng kakailanganin ninyo for your engineering drawing outputs ay ang technical pen. It is pen with a needle point tip that is suitable for drawing along a straight edge, makes precise, consistent marks, and has completely waterproof. As you can see, there are different ways sa line weight. Okay? Meron tayong 0.1 hanggang sa 2. But for our engineering drawing outputs, ang gagamitin natin for the border lines ay ang 0.8 or the 0.7. Mamili lang kayo, 0.8 or 0.7. So, gagamitin natin sila para sa border lines. Para naman sa inyong mga outputs, yung mga ginagawa ninyong outputs, itong 0.5. Okay? 0.5. Ulitin ko, 0.5. Paki-comment, 0.5. Okay? Yan yung gagamitin ninyo sa lahat ng mga outputs ninyo. Okay? And for the title block, yung mga isusulat nyo sa title block, we will use 0.3. Okay? 0.3. Okay? Ano-ano yung mga gagamitin natin for our engineering drawing outputs? Pakisulat. Okay? Follow. Ulitin ko, it is 0.8, 0.7, 0.5, and 0.3. So, yan lang na apat na yan ang gagamitin ninyo for our engineering drawing output. So, makikita nyo naman kung ano yung line group dito, narrow line, graphic symbols, wide line, then the extra wide line. So, nakabilong dito yung 0.7 sa extra wide line, gagamitin natin for border line. And ganun din dito sa yung 0.5 naman ay para sa atin sa mga graphic symbols. Okay? Okay, so our 8th clue is letter S.